Hi everyone, welcome back to Geek Yorker. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to fix apps not showing in a spotlight search on iPhone. So if you search for an app but it doesn't appear in the result of a spotlight search, then to fix this, just open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and click on Siri, and on the Siri settings page, scroll down to bottom and then click on Apps. Here within the list of apps, select the app that is not showing in search, and now make sure the toggle right to suggest app and show on home screen is enabled. And after that, go back and try searching again from Spotlight, and if it still doesn't appear, then restart your iPhone once, and after doing this, your app should start appearing in search result again. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to Geek Yorker. Also, if you have any other problem, do let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.